Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. So I just got home. I went to salon to do my hair color. If you notice on my last video that I'm getting white already on my roots, so I did that. I did hair color, and also I pick the like natural, it's look like my natural hair color, so I picked the dark brown hair color. And yeah, I'm so happy that they fixed my roots already, and now all the white hair is gone, so I'm really excited. And finally, because I did it by myself once, I edit and I didn't do it right, I still have like white hair on my roots. I don't know why. It looked like I didn't hair color my hair, but yeah, that's why I decided to go to salon to do it right with professionals. So yeah, all white hair is gone. As you can see, I still have a little bit the hair color on my forehead, that brown. And also here, because of the mask, you can see that that's the hair color that they put onto my hair. You can see it's still on my, because I'm wearing mask, the mask, like, I think got stain of the hair color and go into my skin too, but that's okay. So yeah, very natural. Looks really natural hair color. And yeah, dark brown. Like my hair color, it looks really natural. It looks my natural hair. What I'm so happy, all the white hair is gone. Now I don't have any white hair anymore. And this is what's look like my mask now. The strap got stained with hair color, but it's okay. I can wash it probably and bleach it, and that stain will go away, because we're wearing mask. I'm wearing mask when it's required. You can't go inside without no mask. We're gonna go to the store and find a nice pot for my plants. I have these last year, December, I remember, and I'm so happy still alive. Beautiful color. By the way, it changed color. It changed to red. I can't wait to see these beautiful leaves changing color, turn into red. These are cute. They get some Christmas decoration already. They got this one, it's so cute. This is huge. It's big. Oh, this is so cute. Really cute. I want this one. Should we get it? And they have reds too. That's super cute. You got silver. And I really want this one. These are really cute. And you got this one too. And this is really cute too. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. And they have the little tiny one too. I might need one of these on my Christmas tree. I really want this one. To get that. And also this is really cute too. Merry Christmas. And they got these too. Super cute. Ornaments. And this one too. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look, it's so cute. And they get some Halloween too. Big spider. And yeah. Oh, this is so cute.